3 years, guys. Total 6 semesters. Felt like 18 semesters worth of assignments. 3 years of भाई fourth year में तो आके placement हो ही जाना है. 3 years of LinkedIn posts making everyone feel like they all have it figured out. 3 years of absolutely losing my mind. Silently, quietly, and with a smile on my face. And now I'm entering the final year. Yes, the fourth year of my BTech degree. And I genuinely don't know what's happening around me, what's going on in my mind, what's happening in my surrounding. So I figured instead of pretending that I have a really big confident plan, let me just sit here and actually tell you where things actually stand. No filter, no here's what I learned, TEDx energy. It's just a real engineering hustler update. Because I have a feeling that if you are a BTech student or you have been one, then this video will hit you a little too close to home. Okay, so let me first describe what actually the 6 semesters of BTech feels like emotionally. First year, pure excitement. New friends, a new place, new engineering energy. Second year, a slight reality check. Subjects get harder. You realize बीटेक उतनी भी आसान शायद नहीं है. क्लास में 90% से ज्यादा चीजें तुम्हारे यहाँ जा ही नहीं रही. But it's fine because everyone feels lost together. So it feels like fun. Third year. Now this is where things got strange. Third year is when placement talks enters the conversation. And suddenly, everything changes. The way people talk to each other literally changes. रोज का वो मिलना थोड़ा कम हो जाता है. एक दूसरे से बातें अलग टाइप की होने लगती हैं. पढ़ाई बीच में आने लगती है. तुमने क्या किया है, रेज्यूमे कैसे बनाया है, कौन से प्रोजेक्ट्स किए हैं, क्या क्या किया है और क्या क्या नहीं किया है, ये सब लोग पूछने लगते हैं. एंड यू आर जस्ट सिटिंग देयर थिंकिंग, यार आई वाज जस्ट फिगरिंग आउट हाउ टू सर्वाइव डीएसए एंड नाउ सडनली आई एम सपोज टू हैव अ रियल करियर प्लान फॉर माई सेल्फ. जो चीज तुम्हें कोई नहीं बताता वो ये है कि बीटेक इज नॉट एकेडमिकली एग्जॉस्टिंग, it's existentially exhausting. 6 semesters of being told, work hard, study harder, and the opportunities will come. And then you get in the 7th sem and you just realize that the world outside is not waiting for you with open arms. And trust me, that literally hits very different. Now let's talk about placements. Because nobody is actually honestly talking about this segment. यार जो हमें बचपन से नरेटिव सिखाया गया है ना कि अच्छे से पढ़ो, कोई अच्छे से डिसेंट कॉलेज में पहुंचो, फिर तो तुम्हारी लाइफ अपने आप सेट है. सिंपल, क्लीन एंड लीनियर. एंड देन यू एक्चुअली एंटर्स द प्लेसमेंट सीजन एंड ट्रस्ट मी, इट्स नथिंग लाइक दैट. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, द sheer number of companies and the roles they offer are literally overwhelming. जरा सोचो कितने सारे रोल्स हैं यार. फुल स्टैक डेवलपर, फ्रंट एंड डेवलपर, बैक एंड डेवलपर, प्रोडक्ट मैनेजर, कंसल्टेंट, डेटा एनालिस्ट, बिजनेस एनालिस्ट एंड just what not. And you realize half of these roles you don't fully understand. And you are supposed to prepare for all of this simultaneously. Then there is filtering as well. Some companies accept GPA of 7.5, some of 8, some of 8.5, and there you go, you are out before the start. Some want specific skills, AWS, React, ML pipelines, the things you technically learn, but अपनी college speed पे, and you are not actually confident in. And here's the part that messes up with your brain the most: the comparison. Your classmate gets PPO from their internship. Someone is getting the highest paid internship. Someone is getting a 20 LPA package. Someone gets an offer letter from a product company. Someone is getting offer letter from a consulting company. And आप बैठे हो सोचते हुए कि यार मेरे लिए कौन सा रोल सबसे ज्यादा सूटेबल है. Now before you spiral, I want to say something very clear. Practically placement कोई ऐसी जगह नहीं है जहां एक बंदा फिनिश लाइन पर पहुंच गया तो आप उसको क्रॉस नहीं कर सकते. But it just feels like that. Because that's how the college culture works. That's how social media works. But ये जो real feeling है ना, it's okay to acknowledge it. And tell me honestly, how many of you have opened LinkedIn and immediately you felt worse about yourself? Because, yeah, we all know that app is doing something to all of us. And then, on top of all of this, there is the actual job market, which I put politely, it's a mess right now. Mass layoffs from the companies that were considered safe. Google laid off, Amazon laid off, Infosys and Wipro benching people, startups that were hiring aggressively are now restructuring their company. And the entry level market for the fresh graduates have been completely tightened. And when I say tightened, I mean the roles are fewer and the competition is higher. And hence, the expectation have really gone to the sky. The placement cell gives you resume tips. Your professors say focus on your fundamentals, and meanwhile, you are trying to understand that why a job market that was booming when your seniors graduated looks completely different from our batch. Well, it's not your fault, and it's the reality. And knowing that actually helps. क्योंकि जब हम वेट करना छोड़ देते हैं कि ये दुनिया वापस नॉर्मल कब होगी, हम ये सोचना चालू कर देते हैं कि हम इस फास्ट पेस चेंजिंग दुनिया के साथ कैसे आगे बढ़ेंगे. Okay, so now this is the part I actually wanted to make this video for, because the placement stress, the job market, the AI thing, and whatnot, it's all real. But इन सब से भी ज़्यादा एक चीज़ है जो कि आई गेस मेरे एज के, मेरे बैच के सभी लोगों को परेशान कर रही होगी. And mostly the fourth year students are dealing with it. And it's this: who am I? And what do I actually want? Not like what's really cool on LinkedIn, what's really gets you, will make you richer. And ये भी नहीं कि तुम्हारे पेरेंट्स क्या सोचेंगे, तुम्हारे पेरेंट्स क्या चाहते हैं, बट तुम अपने आप से क्या चाहते हो. तुम अपनी लाइफ में अपने आप को कहाँ पे देखना चाहते हो. अपने आप से पूछो कि यार व्हाट डू आई वांट. And the terrifying thing about that is, most of us don't have a clean answer because we have spent 3 years being told what to do and not what I want to do, which subjects to take, what skills to learn, which companies to target. And somewhere in between this process, जो सच्चा क्वेश्चन होता है ना, that what actually lights you up, वो deprioritize हो जाता है. You had no time for it, or it felt selfish to even ask about it. I know people in my batch, I know people in my college, they are genuinely smart and really hardworking, and they are applying for SDE roles not because they love coding, but because that's what you are told to do. That's where the actual money lies. That's where the success waits for you. And honestly, I'm not judging that. Stability matters, money matters, your parents' will matters. But there is this quite low graded anxiety that will come from chasing the version of your success which is not fully yours. You get into the interview, and a part of you is still thinking subconsciously that, do I even want this? Do I even belong here? And then you feel guilty about that. And of course, you want the job. Everyone wants the job. And so you push the question down and go back grinding lead code. Let me tell you something. I have been doing a lot of sitting for this. What do I want? Where do I actually see myself in future? What do I actually want to do? Not just for the next job, but for the kind of life I want to build. And the honest answer to that question right now is, I don't really know. I don't even have a clean answer for that. But I've decided to be okay with that. Because ये pressure to have figured it all out at the age of 21 is मेरे हिसाब से the cruelest lie that we have been sold. You are allowed to be in the process. You are allowed to be figuring it out. You are allowed to not have a 5 year plan right now. And that's not failure. That's just being in your 20s. Okay, now I think that's been a lot, guys. And I realized this video wasn't the most cheerful video that I have ever put out. No 10 habits to crush your placement season. And no, I figured it all out, but just a real and raw conversation with my peers, just where I actually think I am and where I think a lot of us are actually are. And weirdly, ये चीज मेरे को ज्यादा यूजफुल फील हो रही है देन अ मोटिवेशनल स्पीच, बिकॉज इस फेज की सबसे ज्यादा लोनलीएस्ट चीज मेरे को ये लगती है कि तुम्हें लगता है सबने सब कुछ फिगर आउट कर रखा है, बट यू आर ओनली द कंफ्यूज वन। सो बडी, यू आर नॉट। सबकी लाइफ में सेम चीज अभी चल रही है। तुम्हारा क्लासमेट जिसे जल्दी प्लेसमेंट मिल गई है is still confused about a lot of things other than that. The one doing the master's prep is still confused if we have taken the right path or not. The one who looks put together on LinkedIn probably made that post at midnight after a really rough day. Hence, we all are in it. So, here's what I want from you guys before the closure of this video. Drop a comment and tell me which part of this video felt most like your situation right now. And if my perspective sounds something like you want to follow, then subscribe to my channel and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, take care of yourself, and bro, we all are going to figure this out.